Hi, I'm Margaret with Sacramento Art Classes, and a while ago I made what I think is a really cool online art course for watercolors, and it's kind of an A to Z, all-inclusive, teach you how to do everything watercolor class that's designed for people who maybe are unsure or about how to get started, or are feeling like they probably don't know how to paint, or they can't even draw. Why should they try to paint? Whatever your reason is, this is why I made this class, and it's pretty comprehensive, and I think it's pretty good. But I'm closing the doors on the class, and I'm closing them just for a while because I want to make it even better than it is right now. And to do that, I need to close down and reshoot some videos and add a bunch of new cool stuff. So I made this video in case you are interested in joining the class. Now is the time. In just a few short days, I will be closing the doors. It'll be on October 12th, and after that it needs to be shut down for a while, and you will never get the price that it is right now. So if you want to join and you want to get a lot of support and encouragement and learn a bunch of things about watercolor, this is your moment. Check out the link below. Click the link below in the description, and you can learn a little bit more about the class and sign up. Maybe read some testimonials, but I would love to have you. And it's self-paced, so if you're pinched for time, you do it at your own pace, and you own it forever, so you can go back and look at it over and over again. But anyway, I hope you give it a try. It's called Watercolor Lab, and maybe I'll see you there. Thanks.